So digital maturity assessment, like today, if I have to go, let's say I am in a pharma company, okay, let's say XYZ my company. I have, let's say, MES. I have, let's say, leads. I have, let's say, SET. I have, let's say, Lonza model, which is for the laboratory, microbiology. Then let's say I have also, let's say, factors. Let's say I have also what do you call the documental. Okay, let's say these different particular things are there. Okay.
All these are new terms to me. I don't know. I only know SAP.
Yeah. So these are all the some software like manufacturing execution system, like information. Lonza Moda is basically for the microbiology, and then Documenta is for the SOP. Likewise, is for the, let's say, deviation management. And so these are some of the softwares. Like you will be having some softwares. Likewise, these are the some softwares. Now today, let's say what we will do, we will do the digital maturity assessment. So what are the things that we will do on the digital maturity assessment? There will be, let's say, 8 years. Okay, and 16 processes. So on this entire thing, and then there will be 3 domains like process domain, people domain, all those 6 things. We do the assessment and then we do the marking. Let's say out of 1 to 5, we give, let's say, 1 or 2 or 3 or 5. We give you this part, right? This entire part we give, and we do the digital maturity assessment to identify at what stage I am. And there is a specific framework which is designed, which is a SERI framework, Smart Manufacturing Industry Readiness Index. So that particular entire industry readiness index that we will be doing to identify where exactly I am. So there are so many people who does this, like PwC, or let's say McKinsey, or let's say even there are a few Indian companies also. They do the digital maturity assessment, and then they will give you the support in terms of transforming your data or transforming your entire business process to the digital transformation. So let's understand the why part of it, how part of it, and what part of it. Because if you understand, this is the golden circle. This is Simon Sinek's golden circle. Anybody read the book, The Golden Circle? If you want to learn anything, you need to understand 3 things. One is the why part of it, one is the how part of it, and one is the what part of it. If you understand this golden circle, this is called the golden circle of Simon Sinek. There is a book, very famous book. You might read, and if you understand that entire part, if you understand the why part of it, what part of it, and how part of it, you'll be able to understand the everything. So let's understand this entire part. So why this is required? To understand your current stage, to identify the gap, and to provide the future roadmap with the compliance and the ROI. Now, how it is done? Defining the clear objective and the scope, the surveys and the audits. Like you do a lot of surveys, you do a lot of audits, and then assess the current maturity against the key dimensions. And then computerization, connectivity, visibility, transparency, predictive capability, automation. So these are some of the key dimensions on which this entire digital assessment will be done. And then what is to be done, what how it is done we discuss now what is to be done. Set of guidelines created by the International Society of Pharmaceutical Engineering, which is ISP. And then focus is on ensuring that the computerized system used in the pharmaceutical are fit to their intended use and to comply with the regulatory standards. So basically, ISP has created this entire digital maturity assessment from the Singapore, and then they will give you the entire thing, like how, what are the different pillars, what are the different things,